Guys, myself Khushi Pandey. Today we will discussing about the topic of Lighthouse Project. This project is initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister unveils project for affordable housing. प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने किफ़ायती आवास के लिए परियोजना का खुलासा किया. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the foundation laying ceremony of Lighthouse Project in 6 states on 1st January 2021 in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday laid the foundation of 6 Lighthouse project under Global Housing Technology Challenge India. Lighthouse projects are being constructed at Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajkot, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Ranchi, Jharkhand, Agartala, Tripura and Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The Lighthouse project showcases the best of new age alternate global technologies, material and process in the construction sector for the first time in the country at such a large scale. It is the best construction process to quickly become strong houses. This project will demonstrate and deliver ready-to-live houses at an expedited pace within 12 months compared to conventional brick and mortar construction, and will be more economical, sustainable, of high quality and durability. This project will demonstrate and deliver live houses at very high speed under 12 months. This project conventional brick and mortar construction in comparison more economical, will be sustainable, of high quality and durability. Speciality of this project. This Lighthouse project demonstrates a variety of technology at different sites. First, Indore. In Indore, project could not have walls of bricks, but prefabricated sandwich system will be used. Second, Rajkot. For Rajkot, French monolith concrete construction technology could be used through tunnel formwork. Third, Chennai. Precast concrete system from the US and Finland will be used. Fourth, Ranchi, Germany. 3D volumetric precast concrete construction system will be used. Fifth, Agartala. Structural steel form with light gauge with steel infill panel in Lighthouse project at Agartala. This will be earthquake resistant. Sixth is Lucknow. Pre-constructed wall technology could from Canada could be used. PVC stay in place formwork system in Lighthouse project. Number of houses to be constructed. In Indore, Madhya Pradesh, 1024 houses to be constructed. In Rajkot, Gujarat, 1144 houses to be constructed. In Chennai, Tamil Nadu, 1152 houses to be constructed. In Ranchi, Jharkhand, 1008 houses to be constructed. Agartala, Tripura, 1000 houses to be constructed. In Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, 1040 houses to be constructed. Key points of the project. This project aims to identify and mainstream several innovative technologies from across the world that are sustainable and disaster resilient. The houses will be constructed using distinct out of 54 technologies of this type selected under Global Housing Technology Challenge India 2019. Aim identify and mainstreaming of projects across the world, several innovative technologies that is sustainable and disaster resilient. basic amenities. They comprise about 1,000 houses at each location, along with allied infrastructure facilities such as water facilities, electricity, and LPG connection for the benefits of the economically weaker section. 1,000 houses will be built at the competitive location, which will include allied infrastructure facilities like water facility, electricity, and LPG connection for the beneficiaries. Timeline. Time limit. The period of construction is maximum 12 months from the date this site are handed over to the construction agency after all statutory approvals. Benefit for poor and middle classes. Mr. Modi said the middle class was today getting benefited by the relaxed home loan interest rate. The new Real Estate Regulation and Development Act had provided protection to them. About 60,000 projects were registered and a large number of grievances and had been addressed under the law. The new technology will provide resilient, affordable, and comfortable houses to the poor and middle classes. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.